Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today is the 7th day of Navratri and you can say the 7th form of Goddess Durga is worshipped today. The Goddess Kalratri is the goddess for the 7th day of Navratri, and it is Goddess, if you see, it's the Goddess Kali, the form and everything that Kalratri is exactly Goddess Kali. So what does it actually help us with? The Goddess Kali is for protection, for getting release of negative energy, negative people around you. So praying to Goddess Kali will give you a lot of benefits in that issues like evil eye or negative people or negative energy around you. All those can be healed or released by praying to Goddess Kali. Now Goddess Kali resonates with planet Saturn. So praying to Shani Dev also helps a lot on this day. The crystal, you can say, that resonates with the planet Saturn is the black crystal. So this is a black tourmaline spear. Either you can meditate with the spear if you want. This is the raw black tourmaline. So you can either hold it in the hand and meditate with this. This is a black onyx diya, you can say. So you can light a diya with the oil in it, because for Shani you don't use ghee, you use oil. So you use oil for the diya and do a diya and meditate today. That helps a lot. Plus, if you know for any bad placement of Shani, Saturn in your birth chart, will help you. If you pray today, it will help you a lot, because the energies of Shani resonates with the 7th day of Navratri somewhere. So praying to Lord Shani, if there is a debilitated Saturn in your astrological chart, or the Shani is giving you bad results, or in the house that is giving you bad results, then you can pray to Shani Dev today and have his blessings today. Also, gemstones related to Saturn is blue color, and that is Neelam that we call. So it's actually blue in color. If you see this is Neelam. So if you are wearing that, then just make sure that you smudge your ring with dhoop or incense or any kind of religious or spiritual smoke kind of a thing, pure smoke, so that any negative energies on your gemstones or your crystals are released today. So today, as usual, we will start with the guidance from Goddess Kalratri, that is the 7th day of Navratri. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 stacks like I always do, and you can choose from the 3 stacks. Okay, so let's go ahead and see our 3 stacks of cards that I have removed today as per the guidance from Goddess Kalratri. So these are the 3 piles for today's guidance. As always, this is the blue lapis, this is the citrine, and this is the amethyst. The first number, the second number, and the third number. The readings according to this timestamp, I'll be putting that in the description. I'll putting the mantra for Goddess Kalratri also in the description, so you can meditate with that mantra. So let's go ahead and start with the reading, and we'll take the reading for the first number, that is for the lapis, the blue orgonite, and see what the guidance from Goddess today is. The guidance for the people who have chosen the first pile is, you have to be very, very careful where your relations are concerned. There are chances, she's trying to tell you, is there might be some betrayal. Yeah, there might be some kind of people you are surrounded with who are not good people. They are not your well-wishers. So she's trying to hint you on that. Plus, she's also trying to say that you are going to progress. There is no doubt about it. With her blessings, there is a growth coming your way, but you have to be also very careful about any law case or court case or any laws that is involved, any kind of, if you're going through any kind of agreements, contracts or anything like that, she is telling you to be very, very careful signing it, otherwise there might be some issue coming your way. She is guiding you and telling you to be careful again where your relationships are concerned. Do not trust anyone very easily. She's saying try to see, try to judge, not exactly judge, but try to see within people, try to know them well before you become too close to them. So she is just trying to tell you that just be careful in those matters, and be careful whenever you're signing any kind of papers or anything, because I do see the guidance that she's giving is something like there are chances that you might fall into some kind of a trap where your contracts or where your paperwork or anything is concerned. So just be careful while doing it. Of course, she's saying that she is always there with you, and praying her will make you stronger and protect you. So just believe in her and keep on going. She's always here to help you. Let's see what is the guidance for pile 2. For the people who have chosen pile 2, that is the citrine orgonite, she is saying that be firm in your decisions, be confident in what you are doing. She is saying that you sometimes think too much. You cannot make a decision. Like sometimes it's like, should I do this or should I do that? Should I do this or should I do that? In that, you know, that you miss a bigger chance, or you miss a bigger opportunity coming your way. So she's trying to tell you that please go ahead and make up your mind and don't be confused. Go with your feelings. She's there to guide you. Just remember, whatever feelings or whatever intuitive feelings you are getting, just go with it. There are chances, she's saying, okay, you will be blessed with good financial conditions, and there are chances of a pay raise or maybe a promotion or some kind of money coming from somewhere. So she's telling you that good news. Plus she's also telling you to be very careful, because somewhere she is saying here that she is seeing that, you know, the people, the thing that is surrounded with you, or you are surrounded with those kind of things, that exactly is not what they seem to be. So there is a lot of things that is hidden. She wants you to go ahead and first learn and first know the things properly before making the decision. She wants you to just look around, study the environment, study the people around you, know them in and out before making a final decision. She is always there with you, she says, but then she can guide you. But whatever work has to be done by you. So you have to work hard too. So she's telling you to just go ahead, trust yourself and do things. Plus also be careful with the people around you that cannot be showing you their true intentions, true feelings. So first try to understand them properly, know them well before getting too much attached to them. Let's see what Goddess Kalratri has here for pile 3. That's the amethyst, the third pile. She is telling whatever she wants you to be very careful with people around you, people that of course she wants to protect you. She is there to protect you, but there are chances that there are some people around you, there are some close friends of your close relatives, people whom you don't know, are trying to take away things from you, maybe emotionally, or you can say maybe financially also. So there are chances, she's saying, that she's seeing that there might be some kind of disrespect, or some kind of you can say financial problem, or some kind of loss, or some kind of robbery, or something related that can cause you some problems. Of course, praying to her will always show you guidance. So she's saying just believe in me and I'll help you here, but she is hinting you to be really careful of all these things, like sudden change, robbery, yeah, losing something, losing something that you own for so long. So something like, of course, material things, you have to be careful. Plus, she's saying that there are a lot of, she's giving you a lot of guidance through dreams. She wants you to understand what is she trying to say in your dreams. So people who have chosen the third orgonite has a very good message from the goddess. She is coming in your dreams. She's hinting you in your dreams for the situation that's coming. So just make sure whenever you're dreaming something, or whenever your message is given to you, you just try to note it down maybe, or understand what exactly the message is, because she's trying to guide you there. Plus, she is always there with you in the form of a mother, or in the form of a sister, or in the form of any woman in your life. She is a form of goddess Kalaratri. She says, I am here to help you in the form of a strong woman. So the Shakti, you can say, is always there with you. She is there to protect you. She is always there. So just pray to her and she will guide you. She is saying, always believe in the energy, always respect women in your life, and the guidance will be shown to you. So that's it for the third orgonite, the third pyramid. So we have done the reading for today for the cards. Like I always say, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please go and like my page. We are on Facebook as well as Instagram. So I will see you all tomorrow on the 8th day of Navaratri. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and always be blessed. Thank you so much.